When it comes to protecting your home or business, peace of mind starts here at YK Communications.
We offer advanced security systems tailored to your needs, whether you're securing a home, an office, or multiple locations.
Our residential options include smart doorbells, indoor and outdoor cameras, and fully monitored systems.
We proudly offer Arlo security products, professionally installed and connected to reliable service.
Get camera features like HD video, night vision, weather resistance, and two-way audio.
With animated video previews and smart alerts, you'll know exactly what's happening at your home, anytime, from anywhere.
We even offer custom security systems that go beyond cameras.
With monitored fire, smoke, carbon monoxide, and other life safety systems, we're here to keep your family safe.
Every system is customized and installed by a YK technician to match your exact needs.
And we stay connected after install, with 24/7 monitoring and support just a phone call away.
Our business solutions are just as powerful.
From small storefronts to multi-site operations, YK offers monitored security and commercial video surveillance.
Our cloud-managed systems make it easy to store, find, and share footage.
And our commercial security plans are built to grow with your business, whether you start with the basics or go all in.
YK Security Specialists will walk you through every step, from system design to support.
We believe security should be simple, smart, and built around your life or business.
So whether you need porch protection or a multi-location surveillance system,
Our team is here to help you choose the right tools for peace of mind.